Still failing physics after studying so hard? You are not alone. In this short video, I will show you exactly why and how to fix it in a short while. The first reason why you keep failing physics is you memorize instead of understanding. Physics is not a subject you cram, it's logic, it's relationships. Many students memorize formulas but don't understand what they mean or when to use them. Fix this by breaking every formula into its real world meaning. For instance, what is force? What is energy? Learn it like a story. The second reason why you keep failing is you keep solving problems. You can't learn physics by watching alone. It's like learning to drive by reading a manual. To succeed, solve at least 3 to 5 practical problems every day. Even 10 minutes counts. Start with past questions or guided examples given during the class or any online classes. The third reason why you keep failing physics is you study without strategy. Don't study everything at once. Build mastery. Have a timetable. Have a playlist. Focus on core areas. Examples: motion, electricity, forces, energy. Use focus playlists and master one topic before moving to the other. Don't just read randomly. If you are going to YouTube or any learnable site, ensure that you look for a playlist that is according to what you're studying at that point and go through it accordingly. The truth is, anyone can pass physics if you can stop cramming, practice consistently, and focus your effort. That's what we teach here on Explicit Physics Academic. Like this video, comment where you are struggling, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and this will help us to upload more and more videos. Follow us for broad style lessons, solve problems, and shortcut that help you pass like a pro. Whether you're writing WAEC, NECO, JAMB, A-level, SATs, a college student, this will be beneficial to you. Thank you.